Hi guys, this particular podcast we are just releasing and describing that how you can dockerize of your Spring Boot microservice. Means how you can create an image of your Spring Boot microservices. So basically, you need to understand that, right? What is the containerization concept? Maybe you can refer some other videos and some other tutorials from our site. But here you can understand that this image we are creating once your build is complete, correct? So once you have completed your build, correct, uh, this build is nothing but you have created either your jar or var, right? Then you can create an image, correct? So you can use multiple ways for creating an image, right? So you need to have a Docker available with you for creating an image. You need to have a Docker client, and then daemon, Docker daemon, nothing but your Docker host also should be running, right? Either on your machine or maybe some other machine, correct? Because Docker daemon, which is basically coming with your Docker host, is basically responsible for your creating an image. So in that scenario, so you can create a Docker file and you can define these commands and details into a Docker file to create an image, right? So this is the way you can run it. This Docker file will be always into a parallel to a pom.xml, right? In the root of the project, you can say. Another thing is that you can run Spring Boot commands, right? Build image like this. So you can just see build image, right? There is Maven goal is already there. That is, you can search for it, where you can specify the build image goal and you can specify the image name and then run it. Third thing is that you can also use a Jive plugin here, right? So there is a three ways. The standard way is basically you need to create a Docker file so that you can give multiple other information and you can control this containerization process. So that is the standard way. But you can also create this entire image with the help of that Maven command or else Jive plugin. So these are the ways basically you can understand that how you can create yeah, you can say the image of your Spring Boot microservice. I hope it really helps to you. And if you really like it, maybe you can subscribe our channel, Ashish Academy, for some more free contents. You can find out the link of this channel, or maybe you can subscribe here if you are listening on the YouTube. Thank you.